Hi guys, I'm Akshay. So let's start with this Orthocenter for today. So yes, let's start with the Orthocenter. So what is Orthocenter and how to solve the questions based upon Orthocenter if they give like this. So here you have the first one. Find the Orthocenter of the triangle with vertices. So they have given vertices like -2, -1, 6, -1 and 2, 5. Okay, so they have given these vertices. So these are the vertices guys, and they asked to find out the Orthocenter of the triangle with the given vertices over there. Okay, so now let's find out what is the orthocenter firstly. What is orthocenter? So guys, let us make the triangle and let us learn what is orthocenter. So here this is a triangle. Okay, let's consider this as a triangle. So here you have a triangle. Let it be A point and let this be point B and let this be point C. Okay, point A, point B and point C. Now what do we do is, here I would like to pass a line. Okay, let us pass a line from point A which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so here I am trying to so here I have passed the line. Okay, so let us pass a line from the point A to the base. Okay, base over here. Let us point this as D. Okay, point D. Let it be point D. A B C D. Clear? So here where AD. So here I can say where AD is perpendicular to what? BC, where perpendicular is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay. So where AD is perpendicular to what? The line BC. Okay, where AD is perpendicular to this BC. As here the second step. So let's take here. Let us pass another line. Let us pass another line. So the line would pass here is from B to this point. Okay, let it be point E. Okay. So here where BE is perpendicular to what? AC. Where AD is perpendicular to BC, BE is perpendicular to AC. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degrees as we know. Okay. So guys, here we have got this both lines where both lines are going like where both lines are perpendicular to the baselines, means here you will be getting where AD will be one altitude, where AD is altitude for BC and BE is altitude for AC, right? We got altitudes, two altitudes, where here these two lines are passing and they are intersecting at a point. Okay, where these two lines are passing and they are intersecting at a point, where this point of intersection is known as orthocenter. Okay, where this point of intersection is known as what? Orthocenter. Okay, so here they asked what? They asked to find the orthocenter of the triangle. So this is the given triangle and we must find the orthocenter, means we must find this point. Okay, we must find this point. Now here we must find this particular given point. To find this point, the very simple process guys. So the simple process that I am going to explain here is nothing but, firstly, find out the equation for AD. Okay, find out the equation for AD and find out the equation for BE. So after getting AD equation and BE equation, now you just substitute those both equations. Okay, add those both equations and we will be getting one value like x or y. Okay, so we can find the x value or y value. Now what you do, you substitute x value in first equation, second equation, and we know all this process. Okay, but the very first step is what? We must find the equation for AD and find the equation for BE. Clear? Find the equation for AD and find the equation for BE. So let us start our process. Okay, our good process. Let's start with here. Let this be point A. Okay, so where vertices for A is equal to -2, -1 are the vertices for A, B. So this is a C. Okay, C is equal to, means C vertices are 2, 5. Okay. Now guys, the first step is here BC. We got BC. Now to find AD, so I need to find the equation for AD. I need to find equation for AD. So to find the equation for AD, what would I do? Firstly, find the slope of BC. Okay, find the slope of BC. So you can ask why you are finding the slope for BC, because I need to find AD. Then why we are finding the slope of BC? Because as we go through the process, we will be getting it. Okay, clear? As we go to the process, we will be getting it. Firstly, let's find out here. Find out the slope for BC, guys. Where slope formula is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let's find out the slope for BC, where slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here where B value is what? X1 y1. Consider B as x1 y1 over here. B C as x2 y2. Okay, C let C be x2 y2. So where y2 value is what? 5. Y2 value is what? 5. Y1 value is what? Minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 by x2 value 2 minus 6. Means y1 value is x1 value is 6, right? So that's what I have written, 6 over there. Okay. So 5 plus 1 6 by 5 plus 1 6 by minus 4. Clear? So this gives what? 3 times and this gives what? 2 times. So 3 by minus 2. Clear? So we got the slope for BC, and now what you do? You try to find the slope for AD also. Okay? Find out the slope for AD. Find out the slope for AD. Where AD is equals to. Before finding out the slope, as we know guys, where BC is perpendicular to AD, right? BC is perpendicular to AD. So here to find the slope of AD, I got BC slope. Let us use this BC slope in the next step, further step as we go. So where BC is perpendicular to AD, then you will be having a formula guys, where m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. As here I need to find the m2 value, where this will be the m1 value. Okay, slope of BC will be the m1 value. Okay, and we need to find the m2 value, where m2 is equals to minus 1 by m1, right? To find the m2 value, what would I do? I will transpose this one, a minus 1 to the other side. Okay, I transfer this minus 1 to the other side, get multiplied, gets divided. Clear? Now here m2 is equals to minus 1 by m1. Now let us substitute the value, where minus 1 by m1 value is what over there? 3 comma minus 2, right? So 3 comma minus 2 is the m1 value. So minus minus cancel. This becomes what? 2 by 3. So therefore I can say where AD, slope of AD or AD slope is 2 by 3. Okay, slope of AD is 2 by 3. Clear? Now I need what? I need equation. I don't need slope. But here through slope we can find equation. So that's what I have found the slope value. Okay. So now let's find out the equation, the main important process. Okay. So AD, I need the equation. Now here comes the equation. We will be getting a formula. So the formula to find the equation is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. X minus x1. Okay. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, so guys, here we can consider m value, m as 2 by 3 or m2. Okay, let it be. So m value, let's consider m as 2 by 3 and y1 x1. So let it be x1 and let it be y1. Okay, because here we have a, right? So a values. So let a be, let minus 2 be x1, minus 1 be y1. We don't have d values, so just keep the d value aside. Okay. Now here y minus y1 value is what? 2 minus 2. So this becomes what? Plus 2. This is equals to m value is what? M 2 by 3, right? We know this. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x minus x1 value is what? Minus 1. x1 value is what? Minus 1. Y1 value is what? Minus 1 plus 2. This is the value. Okay. So here we did a color. Okay, let it be. Okay guys, here where x1 value is what? Minus 2. Y1 value is what? Minus 1. Clear? Means minus minus plus. So minus minus plus over there also. Okay, clear? Now what you do is you go for the equation, try to find out the equation, transpose it to the other side. This becomes what? 3y plus 3. Transpose this 3 to the other side. This becomes 3y plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 2 to 4, right? So 4. Clear? Again what you do? You transpose here, let it be. Now let us find out the equation. Now we have clear till here. Now here is 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. Clear? Now what you do? You go for the equation here, substitute this furtherly. This becomes what? Minus 4 minus 3. This becomes what? 1. So I would write, okay, let us write down here. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the first equation that I got. Okay. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the first equation that I got at last. Clear? Is this clear? Yeah. Now we got the first equation. We got equation. We got equation for the line AD. Okay, let's keep this aside. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. So just keep this aside. Okay, just keep this line aside. Now, or equation aside. Now here, find out the equation. We got equation for AD. Now find out the equation for BE as it is. Okay. So here, to find out the equation for BE, we must find the slope. Which slope I should find out? Which slope is required for me to solve this? I mean to find the equation for BE. Which slope should I find out? So the slope I need is what? AC slope, right? I need AC slope. Clear? Are you getting it? AC slope. Where AC is equals to, or CA, let it be. So y2 minus y1 slope formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The formulas are very important, guys, just remember it. Okay. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 how much? Let it be here. A value x1, let it be that this by y1. This is x2, y2. Clear? x2, y2. So where y2 value is what? 5. y1 is what? Plus 1 by. This is 1 minus plus, right? So plus 1. x2, 2. y2. x2, 2. Yeah. x1 is what? Plus 2. Is equals to. Right? Minus plus. So here 6 by 4. 3 times and this is what? 2 times. So 3 by 2. Clear? So I got what? I got 3 by 2. Now guys, as you know, where AC, I got the slope for AC. Now I need the slope for what? BE. Okay, I need slope for what? BE. Now to find the slope for BE, I can say where BE is perpendicular to what? BE is perpendicular to AC. Means here we will be getting a formula where m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Right? So I need to find m2 where m2 will be the slope for BE. Okay, slope of BE is equals to m2. So I can say where m2 is equals to minus 1 by m, or you will be getting a formula like directly you can write the other one where minus 1 by m is equals to m2. Okay, or like this. So this is the another formula as you get. Okay, nothing but the formula is derived from this, right? So it's okay that if you write like this. Okay, so where m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. Clear? m2 is equals to minus 1 by m1. m2 value is what? We don't know m2 value. We need to find out the m2 value. Minus 1 by m1 value is what? 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. This is equals to what? Minus 2 by 3 will be the value. Okay, so where m2 is equals to what? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So where slope of BE or BE slope is minus 2 by 3. Clear? Slope of BE I got what? Minus 2 by 3. Now, okay, slope of BE I got what? Minus 2 by 3. Now here where BE, I need to find out the equation for BE, right? I need equation for BE. The formula to find out the equation for BE is what? y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. M into x minus x1. Clear? Y minus y1 value over there is what? Y1 value is what? Minus 1. So here plus 1 is equals to minus into minus plus, right? So plus 1 is equals to m value minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1 value is what? 6. So 6 as it is. Now transpose this 3 to the other side. Transpose this 3 to the other, this becomes 3y plus 3 is equals to minus 2 into x. This becomes what? Minus 2x minus 12. So plus minus plus, so plus 12. Clear? Now transpose this minus 2x plus 12 to the other side. This becomes what? 3y plus 3 plus 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. Clear? Now let us write down the further equation over here. Okay, 12 minus 3 how much? 9, right? So 12 minus 3 minus 9. Yep. So this becomes 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is the given, this is the second equation. Okay, this is the second equation or the equation for BE I got. Okay, so I got equation for AD equation, this is, and this is BE equation. So 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is the second equation or equation number 2. Clear? Now what to do? By just equation 1 and equation 2. Now what you do, solve subtract equation 1 and 2. Okay, so here let us write down the equation 1. Equation 1 is what, 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y, no, plus 3y over here, plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. Clear? Now subtract this here, so this becomes what? Okay, what would you just make it directly? Okay, minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. Here you will get 4x. Okay, 4x. This becomes minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so 4x is equals to 8. I mean plus 8. X is equals to 8 by 4. X is equals to 2. Okay? Or you can say like, okay, 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. X equals to 2. We got x equal to 2. Now what you do guys here, just substitute this x value where x equals to 2, right? So substitute this x value in equation 1 or equation 2. So let us substitute this x value in equation number 1. Okay, because equation number is very small compared to the equation number 2. So just substitute this where 2 into 2 minus 3y, right? So 3y as it is. We don't know y value, so we are about to find the y value. So we are going to find out the y value. Plus 1 is equals to 0. Plus 1 is equals to 0. So 2 into 2 4, right? So 4 minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Oh my god, my marker is let it. Okay, 4 minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, okay, the next process is, you just transpose this 1 to the other, this becomes minus 1, let it be. Minus 1, okay, let it minus 3 is equals to, if you transpose this becomes 4 minus 5. This becomes minus 5. If I transpose minus 1 to plus 1 to the other side, this becomes minus. If I transpose plus 4 to the other side, this becomes minus 4. Where minus 1 minus 4, this becomes minus 5. So y is equals to minus 5 by minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. So y is equals to what? 5 by 3 will be the value. Clear? So guys, here I can say where x is equals to 2. Okay, y is equals to 5 by 3. Where orthocenter points. So the point of orthocenter. Okay, where orthocenter, I would write this orthocenter, or the point of orthocenter, you can also write like that. Okay, where the points of orthocenter is equals to 2, 5 by 3. Okay, the points of the orthocenter is equal to 2, 5 by 3 are the points of orthocenter. Clear? Hope you got it. Thank you.